In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your file as a PNG. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end, you'll feel confident saving crisp, high-quality images you can use anywhere. First, look to the right side of your screen. In most design and editing tools, the right side houses the Inspector or Properties panel, and that's where export controls usually live. You're looking for a section labeled Export or something very similar. It may be grouped with other settings like size, appearance, or layers, and it can be collapsed or expanded depending on your layout. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see its options. Once you're in the export section, click the plus sign. That plus sign adds an export setting for your current selection or your canvas depending on how your app works. Think of it as telling the software, I want to generate a file from this. When you press the plus, a quick set of options appears, typically including format and possibly size or scale. You can add multiple export settings if you need different formats later, but for now we'll keep one simple configuration so everything remains focused and predictable. Next, open the format dropdown and choose PNG. PNG is a great choice when you want sharp, lossless images with support for transparency. It's ideal for interface elements, logos, icons, and graphics that need clean edges without compression artifacts. If your design has a transparent background, PNG preserves that transparency perfectly, which makes it easy to place the image over different colors or photos in other projects. If you see options like 1x, 2x, or different dimensions, those are just scale presets. Sticking with the default is usually fine for general use, and you can always make adjustments later if needed. With PNG selected, go ahead and click Export. That button triggers the export process and generates your image file. Depending on your app and operating system, you might see a prompt to confirm the save location or file name, or the export may go directly to a default folder. Either way, the software will process the request and create a PNG that matches the options you just set. Keep an eye out for any brief progress indicator, and once it's done, your file is ready to share, upload, or drop into your next document or presentation. That's it. Head to the right side, add an export setting with the plus icon, choose PNG from the dropdown, and click Export. Simple, reliable, and professional looking results every time.